is tomorrow to start it. Excited, it's running. Good job, everyone. The engine's healthy and like the dyno went well and everything happened good tomorrow. All right, guys, so we're here at King's Performance. Boom, right there, guys.
New F1 car we're doing a lot of 3D scanning with it.
And get my car ready for Long Beach this year.
Yeah,
so
excited?
I'm excited to
Excited?
get back to FD.
Come on, man, shred that
Thanks
shit.
for the time on the rollers.
Of course, bro, anything you need,
everything
man.
went smoothly. Like,
Yeah, it did. It
we
sounds
didn't
great.
have any breakups or anything. What's up, everyone? Haven't updated you guys in a second here on the Pro car. Got pretty far with it and then got very overwhelming, and then I left to go ice drifting in Norway.
What's up?
We're in Norway. Pro car, went to the dyno, you guys were there for that. I went to Norway after that. When I got back, the car was pretty much done in a sense of being done, but it fully wasn't wrapped, and the little stupid things you gotta go back through, which there's always a lot of those, weren't done. So rear fenders are off, but they're both wrapped. Check them out. We've already unveiled it on Instagram, so if you guys are kind of following through, you've seen it. But if not, it's white on this side, fades to chrome. Top is all chrome, fades to black, and then we have a black chrome thing that goes up and over. I'm gonna put the rear fenders on right now, and then it's spliced down the middle of the bumper, white to black. We're also gonna put blue chrome, not only on the lip there, but inside the pocket of all the vents here. Hood has a little bit of white on it. This side's black, fades to chrome, black chrome over the arch. Renee is in the midst of wrapping the car right now with chrome on the roof. As soon as she's done with that, I can reinstall the antenna. I can reinstall the rubber piece for back here. We can put the roof on. All this is happening when we have a scheduled track day tomorrow at OSW. We're gonna just rent the oval, do a little bit of testing there, get our feet wet with the car, see what changes need to be made or whatever. It's gonna be minimal, it's the same car, most same parts. We have a new crew member coming that you guys haven't met. His name is James. He will be there tomorrow. This video will go into tomorrow. I have the generator running in the race trailer. I'm loading and unloading things and getting it all dialed in. So we're just kind of going through everything right now. Yesterday, I did a string alignment on the car, got it all how I wanted, tested the car, didn't like how the brakes felt, took the dash out, took the pedal box out, went through and did some calculations, talked to Odie about something on like some rear brake dialing stuff in, because you kind of don't want much rear brake when you're on your foot brake. Luckily, I had all the different master choices that I needed here, threw one in that me and Odie came to the conclusion would work best. Thank you for the help, Odie. It did work best. It did exactly what we thought, because what was happening is the back brakes, if I jammed brake, back brakes would lock up first. Kind of crazy. Front brakes wouldn't do anything. I mean, they're working, but they weren't locking up. What you want is the front to be like 60-40, 70-30, something like that. And in a drift car, I think I kind of want it more like 80-20. I want the front to do all the work. I want the back to help a little bit. If there's a panic braking happening, I want to be able to left foot brake whenever I want, however I want, and then not to hold the car back. I want it to just hold the front of the car, but not hold like the driving, drive line of the back. Luckily, we figured that out. Trying to think what else has happened or is different. Check out this shifter here. Got the rad logo. I know it's dark in here, but see how it kind of mimics the handbrake, and it has the slash cuts like the handbrake, and then we have rad on a billet plate down there. I like the way that shifter is. I run a Sawdev transmission, but I really like the way the shifter of a Samsonis was, so I made my own, recreated it different but similar for the Sawdev, and yeah, super cool. Pumped on that. We have some cool updates coming from Sparco. Those aren't here yet, so I'm gonna take the car back apart and then kind of go back and forth. That's just how it goes sometimes. But yeah, car is ready to go. Just gotta get the trailer loaded and all the stuff. GT sent a bunch of tires. I mounted some raised wheels. We're looking good. Let's just get the car in the trailer and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. You guys can meet James. You can see Daniel again, and let's have a successful track day tomorrow morning. All right, guys, we're at the track. This is a serious one right here. Okay, we got Daniel here. You guys
Hello,
have met
everybody.
him before. We got James. You guys haven't met him before. He's on the laptop with Ian. We're trying to make sure it's safe. We did one lap. Make sure it's safe to go again. The car's all in one piece like we just talked about a couple days ago, and we've only burnt one set of GTs. Sending logs back and forth with Ian, make sure we're safe to keep ripping on the car. He's looking over all the vital signs, everything, and then if we're good to go, we'll go out there and try and dial in a little more grip. It's pretty slippery, kind of dusty. No one's been on it for a while, and there's no other rubber laid on it. So we kind of went with our normal settings, but we're gonna have to go down on tire pressure or more toe, something like that. But car feels good, guys. Let's keep going. All right, guys, we just did 2 laps with nitrous. This car is fun to drive. What do you think on the tire wear?
I think it's looking pretty decent.
That's pretty good. So that's a pretty flat wear. See how it rolls over a little bit because the GT's got all the side bite, soft sidewall. Yeah, I'd say that's some good tire wear right there. We got 2 full laps, so we have the right gear in there. No tire left, minimal burnout box stuff. Technically, we could put a little bit more grip in the car, just a tad more. But if we put too much, it won't be easy to chase people that are slower, so we're working on that. We got other people over here drifting. On the skid pad, there's another event going on. We just kind of piggybacked onto their event and paid for the oval only. So it was a more expensive day for us than what if I had jumped in on this event here, but then I need the car to have like, put through the paces. We got like 20 drift cars over there. I just wanted real life expectations of how this season will go, so I wasn't gonna cheap out and go on the skid pad. It's pretty slippery out there if you guys have been out there. Never a lot of grip. Sorry, man. Pants keep falling off over here. We got some cool views with the GoPros for you guys. Got one in there on the angle kit. We got one down here on the damper. Got some cool views on the phones. Trying to mix it up for you guys, but so far so good, no issues. Just dialing in setup, training the guys, and they're getting familiar with kind of what they'll be doing at Long Beach. All right, talk to you guys later. Finish off the day, we're gonna take the bank alignment out and put a flat track alignment back in it for camber wear. We gotta clean the tire rubber off the car because we still gotta clean this car to put all the sponsored logos all over it. We're kind of cleaning up the waste oil that was in from the gear change, stacked all the tires. in the trailer already. Hey, stop being windy. So yeah, loaded everything back up. Then I'm gonna put the bumper away, just kind of clean up, but overall successful track day. We did have kind of an issue with fuel pressure, it seems like. When we're on nitrous, it was like we're dropping fuel pressure a little bit. We're waiting to see what Ian says on that. Or what did Ian say about that?
He said we should just probably diagnose the bumps, see if they have checked valves, see if our regulator's working.
Not good, guys. So we gotta figure that out. They are brand new pumps. It could be that the surge was not filling up all the way, like the lift pump, or he doesn't think that.
Or maybe we weren't running the other pump enough
Hard enough? Yeah. But what did he say on the last lap? So he said no more nitrous, so we did one last lap, no nitrous, and possibly we're in the okay.
He said it's much better now. He's still
But that's after a mod where he ramped in the other pump earlier.
Yeah.
Like, not a mod, but a change to the calibration. Okay, we'll keep you guys posted, but we got basically a month to fix that, and what were our other little kind of quirks that we were irritated about? Very small things, very successful first track day. We're happy.
Is this the
She seems
close?
happy.
Is this the last episode?
Guys, she's,
The Supra's happy, but Dan's dying.
I'm dying over here. My throat. No. Yeah, I guess this would be the wrapping up of the full refresh.
Good job.
You guys missed a couple sections. Because trust me, there's a lot that goes into this over here. Little toy over there. But I tried to fill you in on most of it. The very end, it got real hectic and I wanted to like power through stuff. There is gonna be some cool things actually happening. Okay, and to end it, we gotta put all the sponsor logos on the car because that's an unfinished, that's a clean slate right there. So, you got the base, but you need to see the finished product and Sparco. Okay, so we'll talk to you guys soon, but that's the end for the track day. Say bye to Daniel. Say bye to James. You guys just met James. What do you think of James? You already you already know Daniel. You you're probably mad at him, don't like him anymore. No, you guys love
I'm
Daniel.
already tired of you.
Nah, they like Daniel because he talks. We're gonna get James to talk too, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, give us some time and we'll get James talking. Okay. All right, we're back at the shop after the track day. I'm gonna start taking out some of the Sparco equipment that's been in the car for several years. Still looks pretty nice. I clean it up all the time, but we got some fresh seats, fresh belts, a couple other goodies from Sparco. So let me pull these guys out real quick and then show you what's gonna be put in there. I'm really excited about this.